Now those are the shapes that we were doing. But you can also talk about fractions in groups of things. For example, if you have, let's do some fruit. Let's talk about some fruit. I have oranges here. That can make a grouping. If we have a group of fruit and there are 4 oranges in the group, the whole group has 4 pieces to it. Let's say you eat 2 of them. You would have eaten 2/4 of the oranges. Let's say you're not that hungry. Let's put these back. There are 4 oranges in the whole group. This time you say, I just want 1. So you would have taken 1/4 of the group. How about we talk about limes? I'll pull my limes out of here. They're pretty rolly. Okay, here's my group of limes. How many limes are in the whole group? That would be our denominator or our bottom number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 limes in the whole group. Let's say you're going to use 3 of them and put these back in the refrigerator. So this group of limes would be 3/5 of it. The ones that you used, 3/5. The ones that went back in the refrigerator would be 2/5 of the limes went back into the refrigerator. If we added those together, we would have the full group again. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And this bottom number is a copy job because you only ever had 5 in the group, so we're just going to call it 5. That's a label to tell you how many were in the full group to start with. 3 of them you used, that would be 3/5 of the limes. 2/5 of the limes you put back into the refrigerator, but the whole group had 5/5 because there were 5 pieces in the whole group. How about we do our flowers? Let's count how many flowers are in my vase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the same as the limes. There are 5 flowers in my group. I'm going to put a 5 on the bottom. That's my denominator. So let's see, if I just smelled 1 flower, I would be smelling 1/5 of the flowers. How many flowers are orange? Well, there are 5 flowers there, so that has to be my denominator. How many orange flowers are there? Here's 1, 2, 3. Here's 1, 2, 3. 3 of the 5 flowers are orange. So we would have 3/5. 3/5 of the flowers are orange. How many are white? How many are in the whole thing? 5 would be our denominator. We got to keep that number. How many are white? 2. This is looking a lot like the lime problem when we used 3 of our limes and put 2 back in the refrigerator. If we were to add these 2 together, we would have 3 plus 2 is 5, and copy the bottom number because there's always only 5 in this flower group.